Chapter 9 Input and Output Operators. What's the meaning of input and what's the meaning of output? Input means give the data to the computer. Output means display the data on the monitor. Then if you are using the input and output statements, you have to include the header file iostream.h. Then first we can consider the input statement. What is the use of input statement? Input statement is used to enter the data to the computer or giving the data to the input to the computer. Then in C++, which is the statement for this input? Cin. Cin, that Cin should be in small letter. Cin statement is used for taking the input from the keyboard. Okay, Cin statement is used to take the input from the keyboard. Then this Cin statement is combining with the operator greater than. That operator is called stream extraction operator. That greater than operator is called stream extraction operator. This operator is used with the input statement. Which is the input statement? Cin is the input statement. That greater than operator is called stream extraction operator. That is, the stream extraction operator is the input operator. Syntax for the input operator is, say, Cin. This is the input statement, Cin. Then which is the operator? Greater than. That operator is called stream extraction operator. Cin greater than, then variable name. See, for example, suppose we need to input the variable a. Then Cin greater than a. After that one, semicolon. This is the input statement. Then what is the input statement? Is used to give the input to the computer or take the input from the keyboard. Next, output statement and output operator. Input statement is Cin. Same like that, output statement is Cout. Cout is the output statement. What is the use of the Cout statement? Cout statement is used to display the output on the monitor. It is used to display the output on the monitor, and the operator used with this output statement is less than. That less than operator is called stream insertion operator. Okay, less than operator is stream insertion operator. See, the syntax for Cout is Cout less than variable name, then semicolon. For example, suppose we need to print the value of a, then Cout less than a, then semicolon. That is input and output. If you are using any input and output statement, you should have to include which header file? iostream.h. You should have to include the header file iostream.h. Input statement is Cin. Input operator is stream extraction operator. That is greater than. Then output statement. What is the use of output statement? Output statement is used to display the output on the monitor. Then this which is the operator used with this output statement? Less than. What is the name of that less than operator? Stream insertion operator. Next, cascading input and output operator. What is the meaning of cascading? Cascading input statement, input operator means input operator used multiple times in a statement. Cascading output operator means using output operator, that is that less than multiple times in a program, in a statement. That is called cascading. The greater than and less than operator used multiple times in a statement is called cascading. Then first example for cascading input operator. Which is the input operator? Greater than. C in greater than A, then again greater than B. That is, that operator used 2 times or multiple times. That is called cascading. What is the meaning of this one? Input A and B. First it is inputting A, then after that B. Input A and B. Same like that. Next stream, an insertion operator or output operator using multiple times. That is called cascading output operator. Example, C out less than A, less than B. That is, in this statement, that less than or stream insertion operator is using multiple times. That is called cascading. See, this C in and C out, you should have to write in small letter. Then with the C in, which is the operator, greater than, with C out, less than. Next, the manipulators. Manipulators, what is the use of this manipulator? This manipulator is used to arrange the output on the monitor. Properly arranging the output on the monitor. It is used with the stream insertion operator, which is the statement to display the output on the monitor. Cout statement. With the cout statement, which is the operator is using stream insertion operator. So this manipulator is used with the stream insertion operator or less than operator. Then two manipulators are endl and setw. Endl means, if you are putting one endl in cout statement, the next it is for the new line. For inserting new line, endl is using. It is used to insert new line on the monitor. It is same as /n. What is this /n? That is an escape sequence. /n is also a new line. Endl is also new line. See example, cout A less than endl less than B. What is the meaning of this statement? First it is displaying A on the monitor. After that, one line. That is, in the next line, it will display B. That is, in between A and B, there is one line. For in one line A, next line, it will print B. So then one more manipulator, that is setw of x. This setw of x is used to set x space on the monitor. It is used to insert space on the monitor. Suppose, see one example, cout A less than setw of 5 less than B. What is the meaning of this statement? First it is displaying A, after that 5 space. Then it will display B. In between A and B, there will be 5 space on the monitor. That is the use of setw. Setw is used to insert space. Endl is for new line. Then next we can consider one program. Write a program to find the sum of two numbers. Say in this program, find the sum of two numbers. What are the inputs in this program? How many inputs are there? Find the sum of two numbers. For finding the sum of two numbers, we need how many inputs? Two numbers. We require two numbers. So, we need two input. We can take two variables for that input. Here we are taking A and B for that. One number is A, second number is B. Then what is the output in this program? Sum of two numbers. Yes, sum is the output. See, first comment. It's a single line comment. So, 2 slashes. 2 slash program to find the sum of two numbers. After that, linker section, that is hash include iostream.h hash include conio.h. After that, void main, then first declaration. Before this declaration, we can include one statement, that is CLR SCR. CLR SCR. CLR SCR is for clearing the screen. If you are not clearing the screen, previous output also will be on the monitor. Then it will be difficult to identify your output. So first we can clear the screen. For clearing the screen or clearing the monitor, we are using the function CLR SCR. After that, declaring the variables. Here, what are all the variables we are using? Two variables for input, one variable is for output. A, B are for input and sum is for output. So we need to declare three variables. This is the declaration of three variables. Here we are declaring it as an integer number. Then cout, enter two numbers. If you are not putting this statement, we don't know what are the things we need to put. So that is why first we are entering one statement, displaying one statement, enter two numbers. See cout less than. Here this statement is in the double quotes. Whatever we are giving inside this double quotes, it will print as it is on the monitor. Okay, enter two numbers. It will be as it is on the monitor. Then after that, in AB. What is the use of in statement? It is for giving the input. In AB. A and B are the input. We are inputting A and B. Then process. What is the process here? Sum is equal to A plus B. Then we need to print the output. Here output is sum. We need to print it as sum is equal to that output. So that sum is equal to, you have to give inside this double quotes. Then this sum is without a double quote means that will print the value of sum. If you are giving inside the double quotes means it will print as it is. Whatever we are giving inside that double quotes as it is, it will print on the monitor. This without double quotes, this sum means this is the variable sum. That is the value of sum. It will print the value. Then get. This is the program to print the sum of two numbers. Then I will show how to execute this program. What's the first step? We need to open the C++. Open the C++, that is start Turbo C++. If you are not having this software in your system, you can download it from the net and you can use start the Turbo C++. Yeah, see, now you can see the screen, the small size. You can press Alt Enter, then the screen will become big. Then select one new file, file new. Then type that program on the screen. First, comment statement. Then the hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h. Print that program, or type that program to find the sum of two numbers. Then that hash include, then void main. See, after this void main there is no semicolon. This is a function, this void main. After that void main there is no semicolon. All this void main, CLR, SCR, int, cout, cin, everything you should have to write in small letter. Then this CLR, SCR. CLR, SCR is for clearing the screen. Then need to declare the variable. Then cout, enter two numbers. After that we are giving one endl statement. What is the use of endl? That is after enter two numbers. Then after that control will be on the next line. There you can enter that two numbers. After that, process sum is equal to a plus b. Then Cout sum is equal to sum. This is the program. You have typed that program. After that, you can save the program. You can save the program. File extension should be, what is the file extension for the C++ program? CPP. You can give the extension CPP, one name dot CPP. Okay. After saving the program, what is the next step? We need to compile. Compile means we need to check the error. Is there any error in the program? Then compile. When compile, see here it's no errors. So then press enter key. See here I am removing this comma in between a comma b comma sum. See, I am just removing this comma. Then what will happen? Again compile. See how many errors are there? 2 errors are there. If you want to see the error, press the key. See, you can see the one line on that line. The line number also it will show. See the line number is 7. In that line, 2 errors are there. See the line number 7. Declaration syntax error. Here which is the declaration statement? Variable declaration int a comma b comma sum. That is the declaration statement. In that declaration statement, there is one error or undefined symbol sum. Using this statement is not defining the variable sum. Then you can identify in this line there is one error. There is one comma is missing. That is the error. You can put that comma and you can compile it again. See now no errors. Press the enter key. After that, after compilation, you need to execute the program. Run. See on the monitor, first we have cleared the screen, then enter 2 numbers. See, in cout statement, in the double quotes we have given enter 2 numbers. That is why it is showing like that. Enter 2 numbers. Then you can give 2 numbers, 4, then 5. Then press the key. Then you can see the answer. Sum is equal to 9. Then here what are the inputs? 4 and 5 are the input. What is the output here? If you are giving 4 and 5 are the input to the computer, you are getting the output 9. Here output inputs are 4 and 5. Output is 9. Then if you are pressing the enter key again, it will go back to the program. Then you can exit using this file quit.